feel me? You in for my real dripster the time, you feel me? This just for my video shit the time, you feel me? Show some drip there, look, I already got it for you, key go down, you feel me? I already got it for you feel me? I'm like a 99 overall with this shit, you feel me? Real dripster, you feel me? But I ain't, hey, that's just for my little video, you feel me? You feel me? I ain't gotta do it. I ain't gotta do it, little time. You feel me? Hey, hold on. I'm finna show y'all shit, little time. Put it on full cam. Put it on full cam. I bet y'all ain't never seen it before either. Y'all ain't never seen it before either. If they be lowered up. Nah, he ain't gonna let me do it. The coach, he wanna. Hey, watch out, little man. I already told y'all, bro. Well, don't tell me what I think I'm here. You feel me? I'm here what you think I'm here, little man. You feel me? You think I'm 1-1. You feel me? You like little twin 1-1. I'm finna type that in the chat. The twin ain't even nobody like that twin. You feel me? Damn, I was trying to find a video of me pop a firecracker in class, little twin. I gotta get that bitch. I gotta get that bitch, little twin. Play Super Y. No. He to my in the class. And I'm saying, little twin, I wouldn't even know nothing like that, little twin. To my fuck you too, nigga. Zay, you always in that bit to my place of shit, man. This ain't finna be no music all the time. Big head ass little boy. You gonna catch a headache playing music all the time. Yeah, crazy. He told my nigga you're a rapper. You're a rapper for a reason. A rapper ain't a robot. Man, this shit like 9th grade though, little twin. Stop talking. Oh, he talking. Oh, he in the chat. This shit, listen. I'm finna put that bitch on my shit just for this, little twin. I just got down, got that bitch back. What that is? Let's do that boy crazy. Let's do that boy crazy. Let's be that boy crazy. Let's be that boy crazy. Let's be that boy crazy. Hey, little twin, I just put that bitch back on my shit just for this. It might be the last post of my shit. I just archive that bitch just for to show y'all. Y'all fuck around, go down my shit. Appreciate that sub too, little twin. Y'all might fuck around, go around my shit. He look at the couch, he talking about, I'm mad. Sound like they busting in that bitch. They count that too. They count that. Hey, little twin. Hey, little twin. Hey, y'all little fuck ass nigga don't get no idea. Don't go to school to try to be popping firecrackers and shit. Try to got down you with, you feel me?
Not doing that.
Nigga ain't doing that. Nigga getting spell on game. We had a substitute teach anybody. The bell finna ring in like 2 minutes, little twin. That's the only reason why I ain't getting in trouble, little twin. The bell rang. Soon I got there and did that shit on game. I ran to the hallway, blending in with all the kids. On game. The classroom was smoked out though. That shit was crazy. But we had a substitute though, that shit was crazy. Buddy right there here, sub. Gang. He talking about, oh, this shit. Look at big white crawling. Hey, look at big white crawling like a nigga hand at him. He on the grind something like a nigga hand at him. His big ass. Hey, I had school lit. This 2017. On gang, I was just doing shit in school. Anybody tell you that, little twin? On gang, I was just doing shit. On gang, little twin. This little hoe really got down. She found the firecracker in her purse. We was just kicking it. It was like we from the back the bell from around. This little hoe found the firecracker in her purse. I was like, that bitch old as hell. That's why you hear me on that bitch saying this shit ain't gonna work. It was like, come on, like that bitch old as hell. And I already was playing with my lighter, so I'm in that bitch burning shit. So she found the firecracker. She was like, I took that bitch from. She was like, they were I'm telling her, like, they be really old as hell, like, this bitch ain't gonna work. Cause I already was trying that bitch ain't gonna work, that bitch wasn't working that for her. On game. But twin, I don't think y'all can do that, get away with that at school either. Dickhead. Yeah. Play exploded socket. Man, fuck you. Zay? I can't stand you to my play song. Hey Pluto, where you at, man? What we on, man?